AI is transforming how institutions make decisions, but without clear policies, it can easily amplify bias, misuse, or security risks. Organizations need structured frameworks to ensure AI systems stay transparent, fair, and accountable. Around the world, policymakers are developing clearer rules for more responsible AI. The EU AI Act set the tone with its risk-based classification system. Canada and Singapore followed with similar initiatives. These efforts reflect a growing consensus. Innovation must evolve alongside accountability. Think of AI policy as a blueprint. Without structure, ethical safeguards quickly collapse. A systematic approach bridges the gap between principles and practice, translating ideas like fairness and transparency into repeatable actions. Strong AI policies rest on shared principles. First, fairness and non-discrimination. AI should benefit everyone while avoiding bias. Policies should build checks that keep bias from slipping through. Here's a quick checklist. Review datasets for balance, monitor outputs for patterns, and record mitigation steps. The next principle is transparency and explainability. Trust depends on visibility. Provide plain language documentation, track decision logic, and make change logs accessible. The third principle: accountability and oversight. People, and not algorithms, remain responsible for the outcomes. An effective AI policy is built like a cycle. Plan, act, measure, refine. First, define the objectives and scope. Set boundaries. Which AI systems? Who's responsible? Keep definitions simple so everyone understands. Second, risk assessment. High-risk tools, like hiring and grading, need stronger safeguards than chat assistants. Classify systems early to focus attention where it matters. Third, drafting and consultation. Open your draft to feedback. Involve technical teams, legal staff, and end users. This listening exercise exposes blind spots before rollout. Fourth, implementation and monitoring. Assign clear owners for documentation, testing, and review. Set measurable indicators like accuracy, fairness, and security. And fifth, review and iteration. AI evolves fast. Your policy should too. Schedule routine reviews to update procedures and communicate changes. Here are some challenges that come when structuring AI policies. First, balancing innovation and control. Good policy should protect without choking progress. Second, privacy and bias. Under the GDPR Article 22, individuals can contest automated decisions. You should ensure data consent, regular bias testing, and human oversight. The third challenge, global coordination. The OECD AI Policy Observatory works to unify standards worldwide. Without shared alignment, AI use could fracture into incompatible rule sets. One general policy in place is when using AI while writing. Authors must make sure to include transparency statements in written works like reports. You can do this automatically through Jenny. By typing the command /AI declaration in the Jenny editor, users can generate a short compliance statement that aligns with disclosure standards from frameworks like the OECD AI Principles and UNESCO's Ethics of AI. AI governance will keep evolving. What matters is staying adaptable. As new technologies emerge, policies should grow alongside them. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to check out Jenny, where we help authors write as efficiently and responsibly as possible. Link in the description below. Happy writing! Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.